Story tonight, Knox County Schools will soon have COVID-19 case tracking within the district again.
The news just came out today after some parents already started their own tracking system in hopes of keeping their kids safe. WATE 6 on Your Side reporter Kirsty Crawford joins us now in the studio. So Kirsty, what are our schools doing now?
Well, Lori, KCS is bringing back the COVID-19 case count dashboard. They had it last year. It's a page on their website detailing how many students and teachers were COVID positive and how many were in quarantine. Also, like last year, principals will notify parents if there are any cases within the school. Because that wasn't in place at the start of this year, parents took matters into their own hands. Right now, the number of kids or teachers in Knox County schools with COVID-19 is a guessing game.
I know my daughter has told me she's had lots of students absent in her class. She claimed that only 11 and 12 have been there this week out of a class of 19. So to me, that was pretty concerning, not knowing, if that's typical, if they're sick.
But the health department has the only tracking system. Unfortunately for Megan Saturday, parents at her kids' school haven't created a way to track the cases themselves. She says if there was a way, she would tell anyone she could.
If my daughter were to unfortunately come down with COVID, I would do whatever I could to obviously inform the school. I know they wouldn't be able to tell anybody in my child's class.
But over at Beaumont Elementary, several parents are helping each other stay in the know.
Like a Google Doc where you put in your own data and we all contact each other if anybody's been exposed or tested positive.
Tony Sowell has a child at Beaumont. She says she just joined the group, but definitely plans to participate and hopes others do as well.
Well, I mean, if my kid had COVID, I would want any kid that came near them to know. I mean, it's a disease. You don't want to spread a disease to other children. And vice versa. I would like to know if a kid who sat next to my kid in class had COVID, we would quarantine and we wouldn't go to, Kroger that night and, go all these different places where we could continue spreading it.
She says that's the point of notifying families sooner so they don't spread the disease. Both Sowell and Saturday say the school system has a responsibility to help keep the virus at bay and the kids safe.
I feel like we need to have a team effort on this, which thankfully it seems we have at our school so far. At least we're trying to.
The Knox County Schools COVID-19 dashboard will show student and staff cases that are confirmed by the health department.